Remember how I said moving things around in the shop kind of felt like one of those puzzles where you got to move one number just to be able to move another, to move another, to move another? Well, I'm still there. Finishing up the wall, but as you can see, I just have stuff everywhere. I can't get everything where it needs to be. Things will be a little easier when I get this wall done, but in order to help that, in the meantime, I decided to rent a storage container that I could put stuff in, and I may end up keeping it long term to store stuff, but for now, I could take some of the stuff out of the shop, put it in the container, open up some rooms so then I can move things around and get it organized. So the container showed up today, and actually ended up getting two containers. One of them is for my buddy Kevin, but one of them is mine. But now I have a 20-foot container that I can use to store stuff from in here. That way I can start moving stuff around.
did want to put it a little closer, you could probably shove it over there with your tractor pretty easy. Yeah, I guess all the paperwork's done and everything, so. All right, well, thank you very much, and sorry for the late
That's all, folks. All right, so those are the containers. They are really nice. They are one trip containers, meaning they were used one time coming across the ocean. So, I mean, they're really pristine. I mean, they are darn near brand spanking new. They are fantastic shape. I may end up buying this one out at the end. We'll see how well I like it and if I'll need it at the end. And it really should help me open up a little bit of space inside the shop. That way I can get some things organized. All right, so if you can, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, and if you want to be notified of all of my upcoming videos, hit the little bell notification icon beside the subscribe. And I appreciate it, and you guys have a good rest of your day.